Hello, my name is Alobisi Kadri, and this is my web server Sprint 2 titled the Streamline blog. So my achievement for this sprint was I was able to post news, view news, update news, navigation around the web pages, and logouts. As an unregistered user, I want to be able to view news so that I can be entertained. There is a news button that unregistered user can click. Unregistered users can click on news to view news. So I'm going to increase this, and we have the login, the news. You can click on news and you can view news. As a registered user, I want to be able to post news so I can entertain the users of the app. There's a drop-down button for users to post news. When registered users click on the post button, they are redirected to the post news page. So I'm going to log in. So we have this drop-down, and unregistered user can post news. So when registered user click on the post news, they are redirected to a post news page. So this is a post news page, and there is a title input where user can post title of the news. We have the title input where users can post title of the news. We have the input where they can post the news item here. When users click on the post button or the submit button, they are redirected to the view news page. So I'm going to try to create a new news. Let's say newest news for the day, and I'll just put something just to show that. So I'm going to click on submit, and when you click on submit, as you can see, I've not yet done the picture, but this is what I just added. So when users click on the post, they can view the newly posted news item on the view page. This is the view page. The newly posted news will be added to the database. So we're going to check the database. I'm going to refresh this. As you can see, this is the newest news. It's been added to the database. And the newly posted news will be reflected on the unregistered news page. So I'm going to go back to the unregistered users news page, and you can see that they can view the newest news item. So I'm going to log out of this. Let's see. I'm going to go back. So this is the unregistered user, and when they click on news, they can view the new news. This is the newest news I just added. It doesn't show quite right, but this is the newest news. They can view it. As a registered user, I want to update news so I can make amendments. Registered user can click on the view news to update news. So I'm gonna go. So this is the view news, and they can, click on this to update news. When registered users click on update, they can see the title of what they want to update. When registered user click on update, they can see the title, and they can also see the news they want to update. When registered users update, the old title is replaced by the new title. So I'm going to just try and update something. So let's update this. I'm just going to added and added, so they can see the title, the what was there before, and they can see the old thing. And I'm going to update this. As you can see, added is been updated. And whenever I check the database too, it's going to reflect on the database. So I'm going to refresh the database. As you can see, added, I just updated it. It's updated on the database and on the web. And when registered users update, the old news is replaced by the new news, both in the web and on the Firebase. As you can see, it was replaced by the new news both on the web and on the Firebase. As a registered user, I want to be able to log out so I can end my session. So I'm going to go back here. And before I go back, I just want to be sure the news was also updated for the registered users. So as you can see, it's been updated for the unregistered user too. They can also view the new news that was updated. So I'm going to go back to my log out page. So viewers can click on logout and they can end their session. So when I click on logout, it takes me back to the home page. That'll be all for this sprint. Thank you.